guys, welcome back. In this video, I am going to show you how to verify your Upwork account. So let's get started. First, you just have to go to any web browser and then type Upwork, press enter, and then what you want to do is simply look for a sign up. Okay, so this one is the Upwork, tap this one. And here you will see options like log in, sign up, or get started. So if you have your account already, you just have to tap this log in. If you don't have an account yet, click get started or click sign up. So as you can see, you have two options, but let's tap this I'm a freelancer looking for work. So to sign up, they need your real first name, last name, email, password, and your location. You have to agree with their terms and then click this one here. And that's it. Now, as you can see here, I have my account already on Upwork. So as you can see, 90% almost complete. So only a few things to fix. So if you want to complete your profile too, all you have to do is just simply answer or enter some information for employment history, portfolio, video introduction, certifications, and we have your education. So you have to attach files and enter some information there. Also, for example, this one, if you want to add employment, you should add your company and the years that you have worked on that specific company, and it will appear here. By just doing so or answering these questions here, it will somehow give progress to your profile until you reach this 100%. But there are some things aside from this that you need to do. And one of this is, of course, you have to verify your identification. To see how to do that or to see how to fully verify your account, you have to go to this help center. As you can see, we have choose an account. We have here, I'm a freelancer or agency or client. Now below here, there are some options, but let's look for account. Anyways, if you click any of this here, it will somehow give you an idea or information about Upwork or how to build your profile by the projects, start working, and so on. So under account, we have here freelance account settings, service options, we have here identity verification. So let's focus on this part right here. Under identity verification, they have here ID verification, visual verification, government, ID verification badge, and so on. So we have here selfie ID, know your customer or KYC, type of ID verification that they accept. So let's tap this visual verification here. So you can simply read the following information, or you can go directly to digital photo verification here. And here you will see the information and instructions. So as you can see here, authentication will only take a few minutes. So first you just have to log into your Upwork, go to your settings and click this identity verification. But you can also click this one directly. Okay, tap this and you will see this identity verification. So as you can see here, we have verified your identity. And apart from that, we have also location verification and visual verification. So first, let's talk about this ID document verification. So to confirm your identity, you will need to take a photo of your official identification document. The form will specify the permitted types of identification, which differ by nation. All of the following information must be on this ID, of course. We had picture, signature, and name, date of birth, and address. Passport did not require your address. We have here location verification. In general, the location of your profile and your physical location should coincide. However, they are aware that occasionally you might be living in one nation but using a foreign ID. In such a scenario, they will add a third step to confirm your location. And last, we have visual verification. So next we have here ID verification badge. Okay, so if you tap this one here, then you will see some information, instruction, how to get this ID verification badge. So once you have verified everything, or once you get verified, of course, if you go back to your profile, you will see there a blue icon, something like that. So it means that you are verified. So below here under FAQ, you will see the following information. How do I earn this badge? As you can see, we have here the blue check mark. Okay. How do I become eligible to earn this badge? So you just have to follow the instruction information here. Why are you asking me to verify my identity again? Okay. So what happens if I didn't pass the verification process? Of course, they will put your account on hold. So when will Upwork verify my account and how long does it take? So some questions will be answered here. So all you have to do is to go to FAQ. It's very important to get this verification badge because, of course, some clients will look at your profile and see your performance or how well you're doing on Upwork. As you can see, if I tap my profile here, you will see this blue check mark. That means I have this verification badge right here, and I verified all the things I need to verify here on Upwork. So my client will see this one, and of course my client will trust me in giving some tasks or projects. Okay, so location, this government ID verification. You can also read some information here. What are the IDs that they accept? But of course, it depends on the place, the location, the country that you're living in. Okay, so all you have to do is to read the following here, and if you have any of this ID, then you can go back to your Upwork and upload this ID or this type of ID, and of course it should be clear. Okay, and then once they accepted it, then you can proceed to the next process. Okay, so when it comes to billing statement, just in case that you don't have an ID, so they will require you this one. But the billing statement, it should also include the name, your name, also your location, and so on. So we have here, or they have here, requirements for ID and statement images. So all you have to do is to read the following here. Okay, images should be in color and at least 20 dpi and should be PNG, JPEG, PDF, something like that. Okay, so once you have everything here, so once you're prepared and ready, all you have to do is to verify your identity by uploading these requirements and files. Okay, so it's very important to verify your account on Upwork because it will somehow give you the big possibility and chance to get clients on Upwork. Poor profile or having a no verification badge will lose the chance of getting a client. Okay, so you have to make sure that you have verified your account here. You can also take some tests and don't miss some questions here, and in that way, or you will get verified on. So if you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.